Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to have a look at the Casio Royale, the reference number AE-1200. As you can see, the watch is going to come in this cardboard box. Then you will be able to take the watch out. You will have this tag that has the exact model. Also inside, if you open this cardboard box out, you will be able to find the manual right here. So you are going to have the full booklet and all the functions and features on your Casio, so you can check them out. This is how the watch looks. I ordered the watch from Amazon a few weeks ago and I can say that I am impressed with the overall finishing of the watch. This is a very nice and retro looking watch that, let's say, it can be called a James Bond watch. That is why it is called the Casio Royale. So this is a very 80s looking watch. You have this stainless steel bracelet, which is very cool and very nice finishing, especially for this price. When it comes to the case, you need to know that this is not stainless steel. So this is actually resin that you can find on a lot of Casio watches. And it has the silver tone finishing that resembles the stainless steel. When it comes to the watch, you have a lot of writing all over the watch. So you can see that this has a world time function. You have 5 alarms. Then you have a 10-year watch battery life. A lot of people have reported online to have had these watches for more than 13 to 15 years and they are still running. So that is something really cool. You can see that you also have the illuminator function. If you press the light right here, you can see that the entire dial is going to illuminate. You have the digital display right here, and also something really cool is that here you have the digital time, but it is shown in an analog time. You can see the hour hand, the minutes hand, and also the seconds hand that is beeping right there. You can use the button right here in order to toggle between the different time zones that you have, so that is something really cool. Also, you can use the world time function, the alarm function, the timer, the stopwatch, so you have a bunch of functions and features on this watch, most of which you can also find on Casio G-Shock watches. So this is a very cool, let's say, square retro James Bond looking watch. So definitely make sure to check it out because it is very beautiful. You also have the option to go with the black version and also the resin strap that is going to be a little bit cheaper. So it depends on what you enjoy to have on your wrist. The weight, this is going to be a little bit more heavy compared to the resin strap version. So make sure to consider both. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. If you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, guys. And once again, if you enjoy watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, as you can see, I have 9 more Casio watches that I need to unbox right here. So make sure to subscribe if you want to check them out. And also leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.